All right, guys, you're looking at a custom fitted double cap, custom fitted teeth. This is 10K gold. You can see the back side here. You got your stamp, 10K stamp. This is made from an impression of the customer's teeth, so it'll be a perfect fit. Okay? This is actually a solid gold, 10K. It's not gold plated. It is made out of gold. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. This is custom, handmade work for a perfect fit, guys. Check that out. Well, there it is, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.